Well, I'm not going to say good morning. It's morning. This quite bad flooding. This rain hasn't stopped since yesterday. We're into the second day. Just torrential rain. You can see the basketball court is flooded. I thought it might be interesting to go and have a look at the houses at the back. Well, houses, sheds, lean-tos, whatever you want to call them. Ooh. I've just gone and knocked some washing down. Mel's not going to be happy. So let's go and have a look and see how flooded it is. Not such a good idea walking through this. The last time I did this, I got a leg infection. But I thought you might find it interesting. Now, I don't know how the family at the graveyard, the cemetery, gets by when things like this happen, or even worse, a typhoon. Oh wow, look at this. Not good. It's gone into the house, look. The property, whatever. Now the weather forecast is this for at least another day. Wow. this umbrella's about had it. We put umbrella outside yesterday, and 2 umbrellas, and somebody stole one. But where we put the umbrella, the camera, it was hidden from the camera. Look at this. Wow, how flooded it is. It doesn't take much and these houses are flooded out. It's totally flooded. Obviously what you're looking at now is how the water normally drains, but it's not working. It's just filling up, and if the houses are level with the pavement here, the walkway, they get flooded. There you go, look. House is flooded. Everywhere's flooded. But honestly, I'm quite shocked it's not worse. I don't want it to be worse, but I'm just quite shocked it's not worse actually, because it is literally not stopped raining. So it's nearly Christmas. I hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas and an extra wonderful new year. And don't forget guys, we're on Rumble. Please go over there and support us in case anything happens on YouTube, because you never know. YouTube is shadow banning our channel for some reason, has been doing for a long time. I don't know why. So that's it, guys. I thought you'd find this interesting, where we're living and what happens when it rains hard. So until the next time, please hit the like button, please subscribe, share our videos, and make sure the notification bell doesn't have a strike through it. And we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.
Please subscribe. Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire